measure angle anti-clockwise. That is, if you are measuring it clockwise, it should be negative. Okay. Then we studied that dot product is commutative. A bar dot B bar is always equal to B bar dot A bar. Then we studied the 9 products. I dot I is 1, I dot J is 0, I dot K is 0, and so on. Okay. And using that, we understood that if we have a vector A bar A1I plus A2J plus A3K and B bar B1I plus B2J plus B3K, then A bar dot B bar equal to A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. Then few more properties of dot product we studied. A bar dot that can be dot product can be used to find angle between two vectors. So cos theta equal to A bar dot B bar divided by mod of A bar into mod of B bar. Okay, then whenever angle between two vectors is pi by 2, that is whenever vectors are orthogonal to each other, then A bar dot B bar will be equal to 0. And then we understood, suppose f bar is the force vector and d bar is the displacement, then f bar dot d bar is work done by the force field f bar in causing displacement of d bar. These things we studied. Now let me start with the next product. I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Let's go through the next part. Right on. Third product. So you might have understood till we studied scalar and vector multiplication. Okay. Alpha is a scalar, A bar is a vector. Okay. So what answer is vector quantity. Okay. This is the first part we studied. Then we studied dot product. So A bar dot B bar. What the answer is? A B cos theta. Answer is a scalar. Okay, this is what we studied till. Okay, now we'll go through the third part. Right on. Third, cross product or vector product. So suppose we have two vectors. This is A bar. This is B bar. Co-initial point, same initial point. Okay, now write down. Cross product of two vectors denoted by mod of A bar sin theta. And what is important? N cap. Or we can write in this way. Understand this? This is a scalar. This is a scalar. This is also a scalar. But this is a vector. So what is final answer? What is scalar into vector? Vector. So final answer is a vector. Where write down? N cap. What is this? Unit vector. Perpendicular to plane. And which A bar and B bar lies. The two vectors A bar and B bar, they will define unique plane. So n cap is perpendicular to that plane. समजते का बघा, huh? N cap is perpendicular to this plane. That is, in other words, A bar cross B bar is perpendicular to the plane of A bar comma B bar. Okay, now read up. Properties. Properties. Okay, right. One. Cross product is non-commutative. So suppose we have a vector A bar, B bar, theta. Okay, now our aim is to find B bar cross A bar. Yes, how we can write B bar cross A bar? Mod of B bar, mod of A bar, sine of. So first vector is B bar, na? So start measuring angle from B bar to A bar. So the value of angle is theta only, but since we started from B bar, the our movement, that is clockwise, right? Na? It is not anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise is like this. Since it is clockwise, it is minus theta. There is no any change in n cap, right? The vectors A bar and B bar, they are same, so plane will be same, and therefore vector perpendicular to plane will be same, n cap only. Okay, now let me interchange these two since they are scalar. What is sine of minus theta? Minus sin theta. N cap. And what is this? So this is the conclusion. Right? Minus sign is there. Therefore, it is non-commutative. Clear? Let me change the page. I am audible now?
Sir.
Okay. Sure. Next. Next, right? Page number 8. Second property. Now see what we want to find. I cross I, that we want to find. So mod of I, sine up. What is the angle between I and I? 0 only. And then n cap. Now hope you understand. Okay. In next case, we'll try to understand. Mod of I is 1. Mod of I is 1. What is sine of 0? 0. So what the answer is? 0. Okay. Similarly, J cross J is also 0. Since angle between them is 0 and sine of 0 is equal to 0, therefore K cross K is also equal to 0. Now let me find the remaining values. Now we want to find I cross J. I cross J. So that is mod of I, mod of J. What is the angle between I and J? So I think everyone know that it is like this. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. This is origin. Okay. And this is I, unit vector. This is J. And this is K vector. These are the I, J, K vectors. So I and J, they are on the I and J are on which plane? XY plane. So unit vector perpendicular to XY plane. So unit vector perpendicular to XY plane is along the z-axis, that is k bar. Okay, very important. Huh? Remember this. So, and now what is the angle between I and j? What is the angle between x-axis and y-axis? 90
90.
degree. Sine of pi by 2 and n cap. Okay. So here what is n cap? K. So this is 1, this is 1, sine of pi by 2 1, and this is k. So k. I cross j is k. Okay. Now we can write the remaining products. Huh? So let me understand how we can write the remaining product. So say this is the circle. 1 minute. Okay. Say we have vector I over here, j over here, k over here. Okay. So I cross j. See, we can move like this. I cross j. Okay. So answer is k. Then I cross k. Okay. So it is like this. So it is remaining vector j, but with the negative sign. Okay. Then this is all about the I. J cross I. See, opposite direction. So minus k. J cross k. Say J and k. Okay, anti-clockwise. Therefore, it is okay. Okay, next is k cross I. K and then I. So anti-clockwise J and then k cross J. K and then J like this. So negative. So you understand in this way. If it is anti-clockwise, positive sign. If it is in this way, negative sign. Okay, and then this is known to us. I cross I is 0. So using these products, we can find the required answer. Okay, now let me change the page. Have you written this? Any doubt here? क्या डाउट है कहीं पे कुछ डाउट है आपको यहाँ पे समझा पॉजिटिव when we have to take positive sign and when we have to negative sign, have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, इसको थोड़ा सा अलग करके भी लिखो. Okay, so using this I'll write the product. So we have written the 9 products. Huh? Remember this 9 products. Okay, let me change the page. Page number 9. Third property. Say let these are the two vectors. Then what is A bar cross B bar? It is written in this way. I, J, K. This is the product. And then we know how to solve the determinant. Okay? Run. Fourth. Right. When It is like this. When vectors are parallel. Zero. Next. A bar cross A bar. What is the angle between A bar and A bar? 0. So A bar cross A bar equal to 0. I think we have not written this. A bar dot A bar. That is equal to mod of A bar cos of 0. So A square. That is square root of, sorry, should not be square root. That is equal to A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square. Remember this. That is, if you remember this, that will be sufficient. Change of notation only. Yeah? Both are same only. There is change of notation only. This is all about the cross product. Next, on the next page, page number 10. So some work for you, some task for you.
सर
सर
ए स्क्वेअर चं तुम्ही A1 स्क्वेअर प्लस A2 स्क्वेअर प्लस A3 स्क्वेअर कसं केलं?
मॉड्यूलस यू रिमेंबर? मॉड्यूलस आठवते का? मॉड ऑफ ए बार.
येस सर.
स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ, एक मिनिट, स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ A1 स्क्वेअर प्लस A2 स्क्वेअर प्लस A3 स्क्वेअर, बरोबर ना?
पण हे अंडर रूट मध्ये पाहिजे ना?
आहे, पण त्याचा स्क्वेअर आहे ना.
A1 A2 A3 XYZ चे कंपोनेंट आहे ना त्या डायरेक्शन मध्ये.
थांब जरा. ओके,
हॅलो सर.
लिहायला लागलो ना, दिसते की नाही? कळलं? अंडरस्टूड अप टू दिस स्टेप?
येस सर.
Okay. Now tell me what is A bar dot A bar. This is okay. This is okay. Understood? Now what is mod of A bar? Okay. Yes or no?
येस सर.
Okay. Next. Fourth. Suppose you have to tell me which one of the following are valid.
सर परत फॉरवर्ड. 7 पॉइंट.
असं दे ना, ते जाऊन दे, ते काही महत्वाचं नाही. 7 पॉइंट नाही रे.
7.
ठीक आहे, नवीन स्टार्ट करते. दॅट ऑलरेडी वी स्टडीड डॉट प्रोडक्ट, क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. वी आर गोइंग थ्रू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. ठीक आहे. Tell me what will be the answer, right? You have to tell me whether answer is a scalar or vector. Yes, these are the three products. You have to tell me what the answer is. हाँ, so हमें ये समझना है कि इसका आंसर जो आएगा वो स्केलर आएगा या वेक्टर आएगा. गिव मी 1 मिनट, आप थोड़ा सा सोचो. Yes, what is the answer in case of first one? Scalar या vector? Hello, I'm audible. I'm audible. अरे आवाज येते की नहीं मजा?
यस सर.
अरे बोलना बंद क्यों किया है आपने? आप क्या कर रहे हो समझ में आ रहा है? आपको पढ़ना है कुछ भी करके. आफ्टर बी कोई पूछेगा नहीं
तीन
आपको. हाँ बताओ.
सर तीनही पण वेक्टर.
हाँ, yes, very good. See, whenever dot product is defined, what is required? Two vectors are required, like this. This is a bar, this is b bar, है ना? तो हम ऐसे लिखते हैं a bar dot b bar. तो suppose I have one scalar, say for example 5 है मेरे पास, और एक वेक्टर है, say 2i plus 3j है. ठीक है? तो मैं क्या डॉट लिख सकता हूँ? Can I write dot between them? Absolutely not. Say geometrically, I have a scalar. Scalar means I have a single point and I have a vector, say a bar. So can I find angle between a point and a vector and a line? No. Okay. So this is not valid. आ रहा है सबको समझ में? So what we understood, dot कहां पे लिखना है? Dot is to be written between two vectors only. Dot cannot be written between a scalar and vector. It is absolutely incorrect. Same is true for this also. Cross is to be written between two vectors only. आ रहा है सबको समझ में? And when we have a scalar and a vector, their product is to be written in this way. And what the resultant is? Vector quantity. ये जेप्टिक नहीं है. तीन गोष्ठी, ये तीनों चीजें समझ में आ गई तो ही आगे हम आइडेंटिटीज है उनको समझ पाएंगे. हाँ, else it will be very difficult. Very very important, right? We cannot write dot between. लिखो, we cannot write dot or cross between a scalar and a vector. आ रहा है सबको समझ में? समझते हैं सर्वांना? ओके, सो उसको कहां पे लिखना है? where we have to write dot and cross between two vectors only. Okay, clear, great. चलो, now next और दो तीन प्रॉब्लम देता हूं. हाँ, चलो पहले ये देता हूं. Tell me what the resultant will be. A bar dot b bar dot c bar. ये स्केलर होगा या वेक्टर होगा? कोई बता सकता है? Can anyone tell me what the resultant will be? Will be a scalar or will it be a vector? हाँ, very good. हाँ, अंश बताओ. हाँ, correct. Go ahead. ओम दानम बताओ. तेजस. Yes, अरे बताओ जल्दी, so that we'll able to complete this preliminary part and we'll able to start the unit number 1. हाँ बताओ. अरे
Vector.
simple. हाँ हाँ, very good. A bar as it is. Tell me what is A B bar dot C bar. क्या आएगा इसका रिजल्टेंट?
Vector.
B bar dot C bar. अरे डॉट प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है? अरे यार स्केलर आता है ना. अरे डॉट प्रोडक्ट को स्केलर प्रोडक्ट बोलते हैं ना. सब भूल गए क्या? सो स्केलर आएगा से अल्फा आएगा. सो कैन आई राइट डॉट बिटवीन अ स्केलर एंड वेक्टर? नो, नॉट वैलिड. समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं? See, B bar dot C bar is a dot product. Dot product is always a scalar. So alpha. Now, can I write dot between a vector and scalar? No. Okay. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. ये बताओ मुझे A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Whether it is valid or not, and if it is valid, what the resultant is. Yes, बताओ क्या आएगा रिजल्टेंट? If you will not speak, I will not able to understand anything.
Not valid.
Okay, anyone else? Anyone having a different answer?
Vector.
See, A bar is a scalar. No problem. What is cross product? What is resultant of a cross product?
A bar scalar आहे का?
कोण सांगितलं तुला? बार असल्यावर स्केलर कसा असेल रे राजा?
हाँ, नॉट वैलिड है ना.
हाँ, बी बार क्रॉस सी बार. क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है? रिजल्टेंट क्या होता है क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट का? वेक्टर होता है या स्केलर होता है?
Vector.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. से अ न्यू वेक्टर इज देयर. से क्या लेते हैं हम? से डी बार हो गया. हाँ, वेक्टर आ गया है ना. So can I write dot between two vectors? We have both of them as a vector only. So क्या मैं डॉट लिख सकता हूं दोनों के बीच में? Yes. और उनका आंसर क्या आएगा? Scalar. Right ना? Therefore, this product is known as scalar. Triple product. Why
सर
triple? हाँ.
सर ए बार स्केलर आहे ना.
अरे राजा असं का करतोयस? बार कधी लिहितात?
बार वेक्टर असतो ना.
हा, मग ए बार वेक्टर आहे ना राजा. असं का करतोयस? A bar vector है. And first we have to solve the bracket. So we solve B bar
Vector.
cross C bar. Now any doubt?
नो डाउट.
Okay. Let me continue. Yes, ये मुझे बताओ. ये बताना आपको. Whether this is valid or not, and if it is valid, what the resultant is. A bar cross B bar cross C bar.
Sir, vector.
So it is valid, that you want to say? Anyone else? Absolutely correct. C. A bar cross. What is B bar cross C bar? A vector. C D bar. Okay. And what is cross product? Vector quantity. So it is known as vector triple प्रोडक्ट आ रहा है सबको समझ में, राइट? सो नाउ वी वांट टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन दिस पार्ट. क्लियर? एवरीवन इज गेटिंग दिस? ओके, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. हाँ, ये जो हमने पार्ट पढ़ा है ना अभी, ये जो पार्ट है, दिस पार्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इसको समझना है तो थोड़ा सबको वेक्टर में समझ में आएगा, है ना? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. चल आगे बढ़ते हैं. यस, right, scalar triple product. SPP of three vectors A bar, B bar, C bar is ऐसे लिखते हैं P1 B2 B3 C1 C2 C3 और आंसर क्या आएगा? स्केलर. कहीं पे ijk is involved anywhere in the determinant? No. So it is free from ijk. So it is not a vector, it is a scalar. Okay. Acha, if two rows are same, what will happen? In the determinant, यदि दो रो सेम है तो क्या आएगा डिटर्मिनेंट? अरे बताओ. अरे कुछ भी पता नहीं क्या? मैथ्स आता या नहीं है? अरे दो रो सेम रहेंगे तो क्या होगा?
जीरो.
हाँ,
Zero.
डिटर्मिनेंट विल बी जीरो. राइट. Whenever two vectors are same, SPP equal to 0. For example, ये दोनों सेम है. अच्छा, अभी मैं एक स्टेटमेंट लिखने वाला हूं, बट बिफोर दैट थोड़ा सा समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. आई एम इंटरचेंजिंग R1 एंड R2. क्या आएगा डिटर्मिनेंट? माइनस साइन होता है. Hope everyone know all these things very well. Again, let me interchange R2 and R3. या कोई भी दो रो इंटरचेंज करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ऐसे आएगा. और एक माइनस साइन आएगी, एंड माइनस माइनस इट विल बी प्लस. Right. But if I want to write this in terms of vectors, that first row corresponds to B bar dot. second row correspond to C bar, third to the A bar. So these two vectors are same. A bar dot B bar cross C bar is equal to B bar dot C bar cross A bar. आपने शायद समझा होगा कि हमने ये ऑर्डर चेंज किया है ऐसे.
रोलर.
हाँ, करेक्ट, साइक्लिक ऑर्डर लिया है. वेरी गुड. हाँ, so A bar is replaced by B bar, right? B bar is replaced by C bar and C bar is replaced by A bar. ठीक है, ये किया. So that we'll get this new vector. जितने की नहीं सर्वर्ण. So if we interchange the order in cyclic order, the STP is same. इस statement को मैं लिखने वाला हूँ on the next page. Okay, चलो लिखता हूँ. Can I change the page?
सर तो ब्रॅकेट मध्ये ना
हाँ,
स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट.
okay. हाँ, very good, very good. I think you remember it.
एन तर
Okay, okay. हाँ. Box product म्हणतात त्याला. Right. When vectors in STP are interchanged in cyclic order, it remains unchanged. So it is known as box product. ओके, तो ये ऑर्डर है. ए बार, बी बार, सी बार इस ऑर्डर में होने चाहिए. ओके, now इसका मतलब क्या है लिखते हैं. A bar dot B bar cross C bar is always equal to. Let me replace A by B. So now let me start with the B. तो यहाँ से मैं start कर रहा हूँ. हाँ, so B bar dot C bar cross A bar. Now let me start with the C bar. So C bar dot A bar cross B bar, and now so on. Now again we will get the first one. Okay, next one. When you have next lecture, कुछ मैसेज आया है क्या?
Yes, sir.
है क्या? अरे यार, VTP वेक्टर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट बाकी है. चलेगा, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में पहले वेक्टर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट पढ़ते हैं. या लिख दो, मैं 2 मिनट में लिख देता हूँ, खत्म करता हूँ. लड़ा VTP ऑफ 3 vectors A bar comma B bar comma C bar is and it is a vector quantity. चलो, सी टुवर्ड्स बोर्ड. अंडरस्टैंड, मैं कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट लिखने जा रहा हूं. ठीक है, क्या करना है ऐसे समझना है. ठीक है, सी द आंसर इज कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ वेक्टर्स इन द ब्रैकेट. इन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन है. तो ब्रैकेट लिखना है, बी बार लिखना है, माइनस ब्रैकेट लिखना है, सी बार लिखना है. समझ में आ गया? आंसर इज कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बी बार एंड सी बार. नाउ व्हिच वेक्टर इज रिमेनिंग? ए बार बाकी है तो ए बार यहाँ पे फिक्स कर दीजिए और डॉट लिखना है, क्रॉस नहीं लिखना है, डॉट लिखना है, ए बार डॉट, ठीक है। नाउ सी इन द फर्स्ट वेक्टर ए बार एंड बी बार इज रिटर्न, व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग, सी बार। नेक्स्ट में ए बार लिखा है, सी बार लिखा है, व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग, बी बार, दैट्स इट, इतना ही याद रखना है। ये स्केलर है, ये वेक्टर है, स्केलर वेक्टर रिजल्टेंट इज अ वेक्टर, बस इतना ही याद रखना है आपको। यू कैन लीव, विल कंटिन्यू इन थर्ड लेक्चर। प्लीज यू कैन लीव।